Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add a Spotify link to Facebook profile. When you add your Spotify link to your Facebook profile, anyone can click on your Spotify link and get access to your Spotify profile. To add your Spotify link to Facebook profile, first open your Spotify application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to the home page. Now tap on your profile at top left corner. With that, tap on view profile. Now here you can see your profile. Now tap on three dots. With that, tap on share option at second. Then here you can see the option of copy link. You can copy the link of your Spotify. You can also upload this link on your story or add a post regarding your link. I am going to copy the link. Now go to your Facebook application on your mobile phone. Then make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here you'll be taken to your home page. Now tap on your profile at top left corner. Once you are in your profile, tap on three dots. Then tap on edit option at first. With that, scroll down. On the down you can see links option, tap on add. Now on the top you can see social links option, tap on add social links. Now tap on platform and now look for Spotify. Then tap on Spotify. Then on the username box, paste the link of your Spotify. Then after that, tap on save option at top right corner. With that, your Spotify link will be saved. Now here you can go back to your profile. Then once reload your page. Then on the details, you can see the option of your Spotify link. You can tap on your Spotify link. With that, you'll be taken to your Spotify's account. This is how we can add a Spotify link to Facebook profile. As you can see here, my Spotify profile is now displayed. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.